Welcome. In front of me I have iGPSport LW10 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch. So basically restart. First we need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the menu on the screen. Once you see the menu, you can tap on restart option and then wait until the watch is done rebooting. And once you see the home screen again, that means that the restart is complete. And that's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.